Welcome to the Legend classes. Today I am going to discuss regarding the anatomy and physiology of the human body. So now we will see the anatomy. What is anatomy? So here anatomy means the study of structure of the body organs by dissection and observation of the human body. So this is the definition. Here the anatomy means the study of the structure of the body parts by dissection and observation of the human body. So this anatomy we can see by various types of the systems we can discuss. Here there are the different types of the systems are there in our body. So first we will see the musculoskeletal system. So here we can see the anatomy of the body. Here these we are calling as a brain and ear, esophagus, this is the liver, kidney, large intestines, lungs, heart, stomach and small intestines. These are the human body major parts. So here first we will discuss regarding the musculoskeletal system. What is musculoskeletal system? Here we can see the muscle and skeletal. Muscle system we can see and skeletal system we can see. Muscle skeletal will be both will be combined together. Then only these can give the support for the human body and also it will give the shape of the body. By this support only the human being can walk, they can do their works, okay, everything they can do by this musculoskeletal system support. Okay, next here the musculoskeletal system, here they having the bones and also joints and also ligaments will be combined together and that will form as a musculoskeletal system. Here there will be the bones. Okay, here how many bones are there in our body? There are the total 206 bones are there in our body here, and also joints. There are the different types of the joints are there in our body, and also here third one is ligaments. Based on these three, the musculoskeletal system will be formed and also it will be giving support for the human being for the shape and also for the support. Okay, and also this skeletal system, here the bones will be there. What is the major part of the major function of this bone is? It is giving the support for the internal organs. Okay, here in our body there are the vital organs are there. What are the vital organs are there in our body? And what are they? Vital organs. There are the 5 types of the vital organs are there in our body. Okay, that is heart, kidney, liver, brain and lungs. Okay, these five types are vital organs are in our body. Okay, this is the musculoskeletal system diagram. Here we can see the muscle. Okay, this left side we can see the muscles. Okay, and also these all are the bones and also joints and ligaments are there, and also tendons also is present in the musculoskeletal system, and also cartilage also is there. Okay, this is regarding the musculoskeletal system. Okay, next we will see regarding the cardiovascular system. Okay, anatomy of the heart. What is heart and where it is located in our body? That we are calling as a anatomy of the heart. Okay, this heart is located in the in between of the lungs. That means in the middle point of the chest it is located. And also what is the main function of the heart is it will be flow the blood throughout of the body. For the all body parts this heart will be flowing the blood. Okay, it will flow the blood to all our body parts. Okay, here the heart, okay, there are the major 4 chambers are there in our body. What are the 4 chambers? Okay, right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium and left ventricle. Okay, these 4 major chambers in the heart. Okay, and also here we can see the layers of the heart. There are the 3 types of the layers are there in our heart, that is pericardium, endocardium, myocardium. Okay, these 3 types of layers are present in the human heart. And also here we can see the superior vena cava, aorta, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, and also inferior vena cava and cardiac muscle. I told that cardiac muscles are 3 types and also there are the chambers are there in our heart. Okay, this is the anatomy of the heart. Here the function of the heart is this will be flowing of the blood throughout the body. This is the anatomy of the heart and also physiology. Next we will see the respiratory system. Okay, this is the respiratory system. So here the main parts of the respiratory system is the lungs. Okay, how many lungs are there in our body? There are the 2 lungs. Okay, 2 lungs are there and also these 2 lungs will be divided into 5 lobes. The lobes will be divided into 5 types. That will be like right side it will be 2 lobes and also left side it will be 3 lobes. Okay, and also in between there will be the location of the heart. There will be the location of the heart. Here the right side the lobes will be divided into 3 types, that is superior lobe, middle lobe and also inferior lobe. And also left side it is divided into 2 lobes, that is superior lobe and inferior lobe. Why the lung is divided like this? Okay, here the heart is located this side, so it will be divided into 2 lobes. So it will be like small than comparing to the left lung. The right lung will be small. Why? Because here the heart will be located, and you can observe that here the lung will be, the size will be less and here the lung size will be more, and here this part will be for the liver. Okay, here the liver will be present. Okay, here there will be, you can see the trachea and also bronchi and also here bronchioles. Okay, these all are the internal parts of the lungs. Okay, what is the main function of the lung is we can take the respiration, inspiration. Okay, when we are taking oxygen, that we are calling as a inspiration, and when we are giving out the carbon dioxide outside, that we are calling as a exhalation. So for this is the main function of the respiratory system. Okay, I hope that you all are understood regarding these topics, that is what we have discussed. I will revise the class once again. That first we have seen the anatomy of the human body. What is the anatomy of the human body is the study of the structure of the body parts by the dissection and also observation by in the living body. Okay, next we have seen the musculoskeletal system, cardiac system and also respiratory system we have seen. Okay, so I will give the questions that you can I will give the questions and also answers. I will give the like multiple choices. I will tell you how we will see the multiple choices questions from our topic. What I told you, that topic, based on that topic we will see the multiple choices here. What is the meaning of anatomy? What is the meaning of anatomy? It is about functioning of organs, It is about location of structure of organs. It is about disease condition of organs. None of them. So what is the answer? What is anatomy? It means it is about location, structure of organs. Anatomy is discussing regarding the location and structure of organs. This is, so B is the right answer. Next, how many systems are present in human body? Okay, how many systems are present in human body? There are the 9 systems are present in human body. So A is the right answer. Next, how many types of vital organs are there in human body? What are the vital organs? So there are the 5 types of vital organs are present in human body. So here the C is the right answer. Integumentary system will explain about. So what is the other name for the integumentary system is nothing but skin. So here the integumentary system will be discussing regarding the skin. The skeletal system consisting of, so skeletal system, I told you that musculoskeletal system is consisting of joints, teeth, bones. B is heart, C is kidney, D is stomach. The right answer is the A. So musculoskeletal system is discussing regarding the joints, teeth and bones. Okay, next question. The bones of skeletal system is connected with joints, muscles, veins, tendons, cartilage and ligaments. The musculoskeletal system is connected with the tendon, cartilage and ligament. Here the D is the right answer. Next, what is the main function of musculoskeletal system? So here A is giving support to body, B giving shape of the body, C it will helps of digestion, D it will helps for excretion. So here we can see the 2 correct answers we can see here, that is A and B. Okay, should not confuse that. Here there is the 2 right answers are there, that is A and B. Here the musculoskeletal system will be giving support as well as it is giving the shape for the body. Okay, here the A and B is the right answer. Next question. What is the main function of bones? It helps to take respiration, it helps to filter the urine, it helps to protecting the internal organs, storing calcium and also it helps to connect joints. Here the right answer, what is the main function of bones? So C is the right answer, that it is the protecting the internal organs and also it is storing the calcium. Storing the calcium. So next question, how many types of muscles are present in our body? What are the muscle types? There are the 4 types of muscles are there in our body. So here D is the right answer. Next, how many bones are present in our body? Okay, how many bones? A 200, B 100, C 90, D 206. So in human body there are the total 206 bones are present in the body. So here D is the right answer. Next, how many types of joints in our body? A 6, B 10, C 16, D 20. So here A is the right answer. There are the 6 types of joints are present in our body. Next, which type of joint is the most movable joint? So there are the different types of joints are there here. What is the movable joint? A ball socket joint, B pivot joint, C synovial joint, D hinge joint. Here C is the right answer, that is synovial joint is the movable joint. Which is the longest bone in our body? A radius, B ulnar, C phalangeus, D femur. Here D is the right answer. Femur is the longest bone in our body. Next question. Which is the smallest bone in our body? A femur, B stapes, C ribs, D skull. Here B is the right answer. Stapes is the smallest bone in our body. Next, which fluid will helps to reduce the friction of bones when you move your joints? So there is the type of fluid is present in the joints, so that will be reduce the friction of the joints. Here there are the different types of fluids are there. Here A, cerebrospinal fluid, B, blood, C, plasma, D, synovial fluid. Here D is the right answer. Synovial fluid will be reduce the friction of the joints. Where is the heart located? A, slightly to the left sternum, B, slightly to the right sternum, C, slightly to the back of sternum, D, slightly to the front of sternum. So here A is the right answer. Slightly to the sternum, that is in another name is breastbone. Okay, slightly it will be the left side located in our body. Next question. How many layers are present to the heart? How many layers are present? A, 9, B, 10, C, 2, D, 3. So here the heart is having the 3 layers, that is pericardium, myocardium, endocardium. Next question. What are the main chambers of the heart? A, 10 atria, 6 ventricle. B, 2 atria, 2 ventricle. C, 6 atria, 6 ventricle. D, 3 atria, 9 ventricle. So here the heart is having the only 4 chambers, that is 2 atria, 2 ventricle. So here B is the right answer. Next question. What are the 2 upper chambers of the heart? There are the 4 chambers are present in our body. So here what are the upper chambers? Okay, that is left atria, right ventricle. Right ventricle, left ventricle. Right ventricle, left ventricle. And left atria, right ventricle. So here left atria and right atria is the right answer. So here D is the right answer. Next question. What is the heart shape? The heart shape, what? A is cone shaped, B round shaped, C triangle shaped, D square shape. So heart is having the cone shape. So here A is the right answer. Next question. Which chambers will be helps to flow blood throughout the body? So here A upper chambers, B lower chambers, C side chambers, D below chambers. So here the lower chambers are right answer. So here B is the right answer. Next question. How many types of valves are present in the heart? So how many types of valves are present in the heart? Here A 9 valves, B 10 valves, C 3 valves, D 4 valves. So here C is the right answer. Next question. What is the normal blood pressure? In the human body, what is the normal blood pressure range? Here A 100 by 90 mm of Hg, B 120 by 80 mm of Hg, C 90 by 60 mm of Hg, D 140 by 80 mm of Hg. So here B is the right answer, that is 120 by 80 mm of Hg is the right answer. Next question. What is hypertension? What mean by hypertension? Increased blood pressure more than 140 by 80 mm of Hg, increased blood pressure more than 90 by 60 mm of Hg, decreased blood pressure less than 120 by 80 mm of Hg, none of them. So here hypertension is increased blood pressure more than 140 by 80. So here A is the right answer. Next question. How many types of pulse can feel in our body? So here A 12, B 30, C 90, D 20. Right answer is C. 9 types of pulses we can feel in our body. Pulmonary artery is also called as. So here pulmonary trunk, B pulmonary vein, C pulmonary vessels, D none of them. Pulmonary artery is also called as pulmonary trunk. So A is the right answer. Next question. Which is the largest artery of heart? A. Arterioles, B. Carotid artery, C. Aorta, D. Popliteal artery. So C is the right answer, that is aorta is the largest artery of the heart. What is the artery in your neck called? A. Femoral artery, B. Popliteal artery, C. Temporal artery, D. Carotid artery. So here D is the right answer, that is carotid artery. Next question. Respiratory tract is divided into how many parts are present in respiratory tract? That is A 6, B 10, C 9, D 4. Here 9 is the right answer, that is C. Next question. How many lobes are present in right lung? A 3 lungs, B 4, C 1, D 2. So here right side it will be 3 lobes are present in the lungs. So here A is the right answer. So I hope that you all are understood regarding today's topic. Thank you.